Welcome back to KimFood.com. This is Dr. Kim again. Today we're going to talk about 3 simple, easy to follow home remedies for the heel pain epidemic. The first one is to rest. Now, resting seems to be an easy task, but most of us really can't do that too well, including myself. And a lot of my patients come in and they try to negotiate with me, saying, well, can I still cook? Can I still walk my dog? Can I still go shopping? Can I still play my favorite sports? I said, no more of any of those activities, because I tell them you consider your foot broken. So even though it's not broken, you consider it broken, because if you keep doing all the activities that you wanted to do, then you'll never get better. To rest, sometimes it's difficult to do, so I teach people how to tape it yourself. So this is a technique that I've developed over the years, and so this is how I do it. I cross my leg, and then there are 3 different processes. I use this smaller tape. It's a 1-inch tape around the heel area. We call this the side anchor tape. And then I put a 2-inch tape around the bottom of the heel and go around to the ball of the foot in what we call a basket weaving type of taping. And then I put an anchor on top of it so that when you step down, the whole tape doesn't fall apart. Okay? So those are the 3 things that I do to really put the tape on all the time, because just like an athlete going on sports activities, you really want to protect this area as much as possible. So self-taping technique is an excellent way to really protect and rest your feet. And the other part is icing. We all know about the icing, especially the first 24 to 48 hours of you being injured or the area getting inflamed. You want to either use a frozen pea bag or corn bag, and you put it on the bottom of the heel, put it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and alternate with sometimes heating, sometimes just resting. And this is really important to calm down the inflammation that you have on the bottom of the heel. And the other part is the heat. A lot of people don't heat the area as much, because heating is very important to get the circulation going into the area. Especially, remember the fasciosis setting in, that the area has become very stiff and the circulation is not getting into the area. So it gets really stiff and very painful. So with the heat, any kind of heating pad, you can put them on your bottom of the heel, sometime in the back of the knee, or even in the back of the your back area, low back area, to really get the circulation to open up, to get the blood flow into the area, so the area can really rest and circulate and be able to heal better from this area. And the second home remedy that you can try is called the Epsom salt. And a lot of people are really shocked by this soaking, because what can really soaking do? But soaking can do a lot, especially this Epsom salt here, and this should be your favorite friend. Any kind of injuries, any kind of swelling or pain, this will literally get all the swelling sucked out of the area of your injury, because of the magnesium that are in the Epsom salt. Magnesium, as you well know, it's a relaxation mineral. Whenever you have this mineral around, you tend to relax. You put it on a lukewarm water, about every 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt into about 1 quart of water. You put that on there and soak it about 10 to 15 minutes. So through osmosis, with all the minerals that are in there, it sucks all the inflammation out of the area, and very soothing for you. So it's a very good thing for you to try. Also, you can try herbs or different kind of oil. Some oil, like peppermint, helps with your tissue repair. Rosemary oil helps with your circulation. And then lavender oil is really good to really soothe the area and take the stress away from the area of the injury. So you can try a lot of these soaks also, and that are really helpful for your heel pain as well. And the third one is the self-massage. If you happen to be alone and you don't have anybody to massage your feet, then you have to do it yourself. But if you can recruit somebody to do it for you, that'll be the best. But if you can't, then you have to kind of do it yourself. And first, I'd like you to try this tennis ball, which you can get it quite easily. Put it on the bottom of the heel, and you're going to be rolling back and forth this way. This is a really good way to roll the area, get the circulation going, get that knot and swelling out of this area is very important to you as well. Also, use heat or any kind of soaking prior to massaging, so that it gets the area more relaxed, get the circulation and get it warmed up before you started really massaging the area. And also, self-massage is very easy to do, but the important part is this. You cross your leg like this, and then you use your thumb in a circular motion now. Now, key part is the area is quite sore and inflamed now, so you don't want to go to that area and start pushing around too hard, because that's going to make it even stiffer and more painful. So I want you to work around the area first, get the circulation going, get some stretching going, and then start working toward inside where your really pain is. So take about 10-15 minutes, 2-3 times a day. It will be really helpful for your self-massage technique. We talked about first 3 easy to follow home remedies for you to try. If these things are not working, We'll see you on the next video because we're going to talk about 3 more very important, easy to follow home remedies for the heel pain epidemic. We'll see you there.